6:45 for an hour plus. It's about 2 hours. So marinated for about noon to 7. It's about 7 hours. See how this one goes. Quick batch. So it's been a half an hour. And lucky us, the snow's melting. We went for a walk, 60 degrees. That's amazing because we just had 8-9 feet of snow in the last couple days. A half hour of smoking. Looking good. So with what we got left. Got enough to get this batch done. So that's good. Probably let this cook for another, smoke for another half hour and crank up the heat. Alright, it's been a whole hour. Let's take a peek. Some good smoke going. We're gonna crank this up. Got a lot of wood left. Not a ton, but enough to get this job done. Crank it up. 375. Now we'll do the 450. See what that's like. So this is a speed round for salmon. Marinated for 7 hours, smoked for 1 hour, mesquite from Cabela's, and we're gonna try to do 450. It'll probably be around 400. I don't know. We'll see if it goes up that high. For another hour. So check her in a half hour and see how cooked they are. Well, it's been over half an hour. At 4 on high, it's 391. Got plenty of wood left in here. Get all this flowing its own, but let's give it a little shove. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Ideally, you want to marinate this overnight. And then the next day, set it on a cookie sheet, pat it dry, let it sit in the fridge until it gets tacky, kind of gummy, and then you smoke it. And that's when you get your most smoke flavor on the fish. I've yet to do it myself on this grill, but that's the way you should do it. And this is just a speed round to get it out of the freezer this morning and get it marinated for as long as I could, and then get it on the grill. So this is just to eat it today. Next time, we're gonna go through the whole process, get it done right. Woohoo! 462 degrees. Sun! Still got some meat, some wood left in there. Let's take a peek. Got an hour on that. Oh yeah, that's done. Look at that crispy salmon. Sucker salmon. Done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want a nice Traeger, please get it off my website. And if you want a cover, a heating blanket for it, get off my website. If you just want some Cabela's, mesquite, or whatever flavor you like. Get that off this here too. So I am now officially an Amazon affiliate. It's a big day for me. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hospital.